Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on input options. After we have obtained the initial results as shown in the previous video, we will now look at some of the input options. The covariates box refer to continuous or ordinal predictors, while factors refers to categorical predictor variables. The model drop-down option gives us with options to add predictors to the null model. Doing so will set that variable as the baseline of comparison. There is also an option to remove the intercept in the table. In the statistics drop-down option, we have various options that we can select to get a better overview of the regression coefficients and the residuals. Here we can select options to check for multicollinearity, which is important when running multiple regression. We can select the 95% confidence interval option, collinearity diagnostics, and R-square change to get some better statistics. In the plots option, we have options for a QQ plot of standardized residuals. This helps us to gauge the fit of the model by illustrating whether the residuals are normally distributed. The standardized residual histogram also illustrates the same thing. Now, the marginal effects plot illustrates the predicted model along with 95% confidence intervals. In the method section, the method drop-down option right here, we have the liberty to choose how the predictors are entered into the model. When predictors are completely uncorrelated, the order of variable entry has very little effect on the parameters estimated. However, we rarely have uncorrelated predictors, and so the method of variable entry has consequences and is therefore important. By selecting the enter option, which is by default selected here right here, all predictors are entered into the model simultaneously or by forced entry. The backward stepwise option, forward stepwise option, and the stepwise option are all options for stepwise multivariate linear regression. The backward stepwise option enters all predictors simultaneously and then removes them sequentially based on the criterion specified in the stepping method criteria, the drop down on method specification. The forward stepwise option enters the predictors one by one sequentially based on the criterion specified in the aforementioned drop-down menu. In the stepwise option, predictors are entered sequentially again based on the criterion specified, and after each step, the least useful predictor is removed. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video explaining details about various methods of multiple regression.